Ladies and gentlemen, it's been Malapile here and I'm back with another property tour. Today I have a 3-bed, 2-bath duplex townhouse for sale in Sabai, which is a street away from North Riding Square where you have a Checkers. It's well located and well looked after. So I'm pretty excited to show this one to you. So come on right in and have a look. Welcome to the 3-bed, 2-bath duplex townhouse for sale in Sabai. Upon entry, you're welcomed by this beautiful, well taken care of garden and this covered patio. The ideal place for you to enjoy your morning coffee and your suppers in a summer's evening. It's a pet-friendly garden that wraps around the entire house. The pantry leads you directly into the lounge. The lounge also has access into the garage, where you've got the garage and tandem parking, and the lounge has an open plan design which also leads you to the dining area. Dining area also leads you directly into the kitchen. The kitchen is topped with granite, has a breakfast bar, has space for 3 under-counter appliances, an extractor fan, a stove, and an under-counter oven. You also have a double sink and plenty of cupboard space. The property has also been tiled throughout, upstairs and downstairs. Now let's head upstairs. Firstly, you're welcomed by this extra linen cupboard to the left. And then to the right hand side, you have the first bedroom. It's a great size and has built-in cupboard space. Next we have the second bedroom, also tiled and equipped with built-in cupboard space. It's big enough to fit a queen-size bed, but currently has a double-size bed in place. Both these bedrooms share this bathroom equipped with a shower, a loo, a towel rack and a vanity basin. Then we have the main bedroom. Main bedroom's a great size, can fit a king-size bed, has built-in cupboards, and has an in-suite bathroom with vanity basins for him and her, topped with granite. And this bathroom is equipped with a bathtub. The main bedroom also has a spacious balcony for you to enjoy. But that's not all. The complex also has a kids play area. There's also a communal braai area as well as a clubhouse. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the 3-bed, 2-bath duplex townhouse for sale in Sabai. If you'd like to schedule a private viewing, just click on the link below.